Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with KathyBudgets and blogs. I'll link our shop, S&C Budget Creations, down below if you're interested in checking it out. Also, for the month of October, we do have a freebie, which you will see here, but I will link it down below as well. Happy Freebie Friday. We are going to get through some of these savings challenges. Hopefully, because some of them just need a couple bucks and one of them just needs $1. And so I'm hoping, save some cash here. This money does go into my Christmas binder. I am solely focused right now on my PTO for Christmas break. I want to be able to take some time off and pay myself. Right now, I'm pretty close to 1 week. I have a little bit of time left until Christmas break. Not a lot, but my fingers are crossed. I'm hoping to get to 2 weeks and maybe, do a little side hustle and get to 3 weeks. Yeah. So the last time I was able to take some time off, it wasn't because I was able just to relax. I had a lot going on at that time. But yeah, so I'm just going to stay focused on this because I really want to take that time off. What are we stuffing today? We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18. 18 bucks is what we're stuffing today on October 18th. Okay, 18 is one of my favorite numbers because my birth date is 8/18/81. So it's all the 8s, but 18, I love it. We're going to leave that $2 bill in there. We've got a few more. In fact, you know what? No, I'm not going to look for it then right now. I have some $2 bills in my Christmas binder. I wish I would have thought of it sooner. We could have threw a few more spices in there, but we're just going to go for it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here's my dice here. We are going to get rolling. What I noticed is that I need some kind of cushion or something to stop this loud clanging noise on my table, on my desk. But for now, it's just going to have to do. We're playing dice. I mean, it's fun. But I will work on it, hopefully in the near future. So we'll see how that goes. All right, so first up, we're doing $1 to number 5. And I will go over where I got these savings challenges from. And I will link them down below as well. So, let's see. All right, I think 2 only needed $1. It did. Let me grab another savings challenge. Okay, I grabbed another savings challenge, and we're going to add $1 there. Okay, I think this one needs 3, and this one needs 3. Can we get some $3 out there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that one needs 2 more. Okay, 1 more, 1 more. Let's see, 5. 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That one did need $3. I'm gonna grab another savings challenge. Perfect. Okay, let's see. 3. Come on, 1 and 6. 6 is trying to hang in there, showing up. Oh, okay. $2 went there. I don't know what that one needed. We're just going to continue on until we finish here. 1. Okay. 1's on the board. Can we get a 6? 6. Nope. 6. Oh, no. Okay. Look. 6. We have $1 left to do this. Let's do it. Yes. Okay. Perfect. All right. So let's set this off to the side here. All right, and we will get started with the first savings challenge, which is from KathyBudgets, and we're adding $2 today. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bucks here. And like I said, I will link everyone down below. Where I got these savings challenges from. I'm actually I watch a lot of the cash stuffing and savings challenges, things like that. And sometimes I have them in their Ko-fi shop or linked in their videos or on the community tab. However you can get them, but I will link their channels because I'm not certain, who has what. So that one looks good. Let's move on to this next one, which we did complete. Lil's World. I got this as a freebie as well, and I will link her channel down below. Adding $1, and this gives us a total of 6 bucks, which we've completed the savings challenge. Now these, I believe, are meant to be a roll and save, or you know, you can save larger amounts. I do $1 because it works for my budget. So what I do is I like to complete the savings challenges, stack the money, and then do a Christmas binder cash stuffing. So I'm able to save a little bit at a time and then do a little bit bigger cash stuffing for my for my Christmas binder. This sucker right here is the one that I've been dying to put into my rotation as soon as I saw it. There's some horrors. Okay, sorry. I thought I had all the giggles out. It's, I don't know if you can see, they're like twerking and dropping and splits and everything. I should have printed this one twice. Hopefully this lasts a little while for me. It looks like it will. So we've got $1 going into this one, and this one's from KathyBudgets. And there was a set of savings challenges, but this one I thought, oh gosh, how funny. Okay. All right, my cheeks are hurting now. Thanks. All right, so next up we have $1, $2, $3, $4 going into our Chatty Kathy's budget. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like we finished it. We finished another savings challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Chatty Kathy has a ton. When I say she has a ton of savings challenges that are freebies, I mean, it's a crazy amount. I mean, if you, anything you can think of to save for, she has it. Or something that can be universal and go for anything. But yes, I will link Chatty Kathy. She has a ton of savings challenges. So we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, which completes my savings challenge. We'll set it off to the side here so we can add it to our savings challenges to be stuffed into our Christmas binder. All right, so we're just going to grab this Trick or Treat. This one's from Sarah Saves 07. I will link her down below. So we have some candy here. And this one we're not starting today, but next week we will be. All right, and in this one that we finished as well, we're adding $3. So let's count this 3. 1, 2, $3, and each each butterfly was $2 this time. So I should have $8 for this savings challenge. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8. Woohoo! Oh, we're not putting it back in there. We are adding it to our stack of savings challenges, which are completed. So you can see how a little bit at a time is stacking up for me. And it works. It really does. So this one, we're not putting any money to today. It's a need to budget. So I don't know if you noticed, Halloween kind of fall theme is what I'm going for the rest of October. And then if it goes into November, I'm okay with that as well. I do have some more fall themes for November. But then we'll move into, you know, like winter and Christmas. But anyway, it says spooky and I know it. It's so clever. But yes, we're not putting anything into this savings challenge today, but hopefully the next time we meet up, we will. All right, let's see. This is the one that got our little spicy. Let's see here. This one's from Dreamy Budgets. Yes, Dreamy Budget. Oh, I better pay attention because I thought I knew. I did know, but I thought I knew. Okay, so this one's from Dreamy Budgets and came with a set as well. We're going to add, well, it just needs $4. So, oh, 2, 3, 4. So that leaves us $2. How about we put the $2 bill here? Because we're going to pull out another savings challenge and put that $2 towards it. So let's color in these last 4 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have $5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10 that we saved. Oh gosh. Do you see all this cash? See all this cash? That's what's happening over here. That's exactly what's happening. Okay, let me find another savings challenge and see. I was trying not to duplicate them, but I really wanted to do this one. And we'll do each heart $2. So we have $2 going in. And this is from the Secret Budgeter. She was the one who also made this one here. There was a set, so I figured this one would be perfect for Halloween theme. So each heart will do $2. So we're already off to a good start. We have $2 there. Man, this is awesome. All right. So we have $1 going into this last savings challenge here. Just need $2 more to finish your harmony. This was the freebie from SilynthiaBudget Creations, which is my shop with Cassie J. So each month we've been throwing in a freebie somewhere. And so, yeah, we have another one coming in November as well. So anyway, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 bucks in this savings challenge. And we're just going to keep on working on it until we complete it. Yes. All right. So that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. You guys grab the freebies. They're out there. Bye, guys.